Are you searching for the best hand mixers? In this video, I'll share my top 5 best hand mixers recommendations, backed by personal experience and extensive research. For additional details and up-to-date pricing, please visit the links in the description below. Number 5. Hamilton Beach Professional 5-Speed Electric Hand Mixer. We tested 3 Hamilton Beach hand mixers, and the Professional 5-Speed model stood out for several reasons. First, we noticed how easy it was to use with one hand, thanks to its lightweight and the convenient placement of all the controls. The power and speed controls are on top of the mixer, along with a quick burst button for extra power. The rolling style lever for power and speed has a raised notch, making it easy to control with your thumb. We especially liked the trigger-style attachment release, which reduces the chance of accidentally releasing the beaters and makes it easier to remove them when you're done. The set includes a wire whisk attachment and a snap-on storage box to keep the wire beaters, whisk, and power cord organized. However, we found the storage case a bit tricky to clip into place. This mixer doesn't include dough hook attachments, making it less suitable for heavier cookie and bread doughs. Specifications. Number of speeds, 5. Attachments, 2 beaters, 1 whisk. Power, 120 watts. Weight, 2.8 pounds. What we like. Quieter than other models. Easy to use with one hand. Eject attachments with a trigger-style latch. What we don't like. Tricky to attach snap-on case. Number 4. Smeg 50's Retro-Style Electric Hand Mixer. The Smeg hand mixer is not only attractive but also highly functional and powerful. Its handle has a textured, rubberized grip that prevents slipping, even when working with wet or greasy ingredients. The speeds are easy to adjust, and the handle features a built-in timer for added precision. Despite its strength, the mixer never felt heavy or out of control, even with tough ingredients. This mixer is a fantastic choice for serious home bakers looking to invest in a high-quality appliance. It is the most expensive on our list but easily passed all our tests. The extra attachments, 2 wire whisks, 2 beaters, and 2 dough hooks, add versatility, making it a go-to gadget for various kitchen tasks. Specifications. Power, 220 watts. Weight, 4.4 pounds. Speeds, 9. Connections, wire whisks, mixers, batter snares, and capacity bag. Pros. Sleek and functional design. Surprisingly powerful, yet quiet. Comfortable to use. Cons. The most expensive mixer on our list. Number 3. KitchenAid Ultra Power Hand Mixer. The KitchenAid 5-Speed Hand Mixer is a great option if you want a simple, reliable mixer. It's easy to use, comfortable, powerful, and reasonably priced for those who don't want to spend over $100. In our tests, it mixed cookie dough consistently well with just the beaters, and it made beautiful whipped cream with minimal splatter. Other valuable highlights incorporate a lockable swivel rope to keep your workspace clean and a blender ejector button for simple cleanup. You can choose from several colors like sky blue, light pink, red, and black. It's a solid choice for beginners and anyone looking for a straightforward mixer. Specifications. Power, 60 watts. Weight, 2 pounds. Speeds, 5. Attachments, beaters. Pros. Lightweight and easy to use. Available in bright colors. Performed well in tests. Cons. Doesn't come with swell whisks or batter snares. Number 2. Cuisinart Power Advantage Plus Hand Mixer. This model impressed us during testing with its intuitive design and functional attachments. It comes with 2 beaters, 2 dough hooks, 1 balloon whisk, and a spatula, all stored in a handy snap-on case. With 9 speeds, it handles both light and thick recipes well, and the 3 low-speed modes help reduce splattering. If 9 speeds seem too many, there are other options with 3 to 8 speeds. In our tests, this mixer created soft, fluffy peaks with whipped cream and efficiently mixed cookie dough ingredients. However, it was a bit harder to control with thicker ingredients. While not a deal breaker, it was the loudest of the models we tested, especially at higher speeds. Specifications: power, 220 watts. Weight, 4 pounds. Speeds, 9. Attachments: beaters, dough hooks, whisk, and scraper. Pros: comes with all necessary attachments for various recipes. Suitable for both novice and experienced bakers. Cons: the loudest model we tested. Number 1. Breville Handy Mix Scraper. The Breville Handy Mix Scraper is our top choice because it exceeded our expectations. It has 9 speeds, a digital display, and a built-in timer and light. The timer helps with precision for recipes that require timed mixing, and the light makes it easier to see ingredients clearly. This mixer has a strong motor that easily combines ingredients, and the different speeds offer versatility and accuracy. Despite its power, the mixer is smooth, lightweight, and quiet, even at the highest speeds. It whipped cream to stiff peaks, and the rubberized beaters incorporated butter and sugar without leaving any residue on the bowl's sides. We also appreciate the additional accessories, like dough hooks, balloon whisks, and a snap-on case to keep everything organized. Specifications: power, 240 watts. Weight, 4 pounds. Speeds, 9. Attachments: balloon whisks, dough hooks, beaters, and a snap-on storage case. Pros: powerful motor. Lightweight, quiet, and easy to maneuver. Comes with useful accessories. Cons: on the pricier side, so it might be better for serious home bakers who will use it regularly.